don't want to live. Who do I live for? I have no one. The one I considered my own is not with me either. It is better than I died to live like this.
Niharika, open your eyes. Niharika, open your eyes. Niharika. Niharika. Yeah.
How did I reach here? I was walking on the street. How did I reach here? I took advantage of you. I hurt my own family. I have wronged my own people. I have committed a lot of sins.
What are you trying to say? Niharika, calm down, please.
I only thought about myself. I became greedy and deceived my own family. And I think I have committed so many sins. I am ashamed of myself. I want to die.
Niharika. Niharika, keep lying down, please. Nothing will happen to you. Please rest for now, okay?
Kush, you.
Don't get up, don't get up. Please lie down, I'm telling you. You need rest. The doctor will be here any moment, please.
When did I come here? Why don't I remember anything?
You don't need to remember anything. I'm telling you, just rest for now.
No. I don't deserve to be here. I don't deserve to live in this temple.
Diya, I'm asking you something. Answer me. Do you want to play mixed doubles with me or not? Diya, do you want to play the match or not? Answer me! Diya, for God's sake, tell me if you want to play it. Diya, what's the problem? Okay, Diya. Don't answer if you don't want to. If you don't want to. Don't play the match also, if you don't want to. But I'll surely play the match. Whether you're there or not there, it makes no difference to me. Do you think I really depend on you for everything? That's not true. That's not true! Okay. So what if you don't want to be my partner? I'll find another partner. I'll play the match with or without you and win it too. And yes, I'll always remember this silence of yours. And I'll wait for you to tell me why you don't want to play the match. Be ready.
Arjun, I cannot tell you the truth. If I tell you the truth, they will kill my brother, and I cannot afford that. Arjun, please try to understand. Arjun, I can't tell you the truth.
I won't let you miss a practice session even for a day.
Come on, Arjun. You have been harping on about practice. There won't be any harm if we don't practice for a couple of days. Besides, there are many other things that are more important than badminton. There are relationships and problems. Only badminton is not important.
Why, dear? Why did you do this to me? What happened that made you leave my side? You're sure hiding something from me.
Diya, when did you come here? Has Arjun come with you? Tell me, Diya. Deepika said that Arjun left the house in a hurry. Diya, did you tell him everything, Diya? Mom, how can I tell Arjun about this? Mom, I can't tell him anything, even if I want to. What if he gets angry and harms Karan? Then no, Mom, Bablu. No, Mom, we can't take this risk. Mom, I'm badly trapped by Karan. Mom, I'm by not playing this match, I will save Bablu, but I will lose Arjun.
No, Diya, don't say this.
Mom, Arjun came here before you reached.
Oh Lord. We can't tell Arjun about this. And if we don't tell him, then this misunderstanding will drive a wedge between you and Arjun, Diya. I don't know why the Lord is testing us. On one hand, it's my son. And on the other, it's my daughter's marriage. What do I do?
Mom, let's do one thing. We will let Arjun find another partner to play the match. As soon as Bablu returns, I'll tell Arjun the truth and he will understand. Arjun will forgive me. I know he will understand me. I know that.
But Diya, what if it gets too late by then?
There is nothing to worry about. Let her rest for a couple of days. She'll be fine.
But Dr. Gupta, I think it'll be better if she is admitted to your hospital. Nurses will be there to look after her.
Listen, the case isn't very serious. There's no need for a nurse. You may look after her at home.
That's exactly what the problem is, doctor. I don't want to hide anything from you. You know everything about our family. Look, after what she did, there will be a problem if she stays at home. And you know, after whatever that she has done, my parents won't be able to stand her. But it's good that she doesn't want to stay here. Now, I can't let her go anywhere, and given her condition, it's better that we let her stay in the hospital. There won't be any problem at home, and she will be looked after too.
Then do what you feel is right. I don't have a problem. Okay? I'll call the hospital.
Kush, I don't want to go to the hospital. I told you to leave me alone. I'm not worthy of your time and money. So don't waste things on me. I don't want to go to the hospital.
What happened? Easy. Breathe slowly, please.
I don't want to go to the hospital, Kush. I don't want to. Kush, I don't want to go to the hospital.
Mr. Kush, please help me.
I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't want to go. I don't want to go to the hospital.
Niharika, you have to take care of your health for now. Don't worry about the money. The Agarwal family does a lot of social service to help poor people. They'll help you too, why won't they? After all, you are also poor. And besides, don't forget that you used to be my wife. This is the least that I can do for you.
Kush, you can snatch the right to stay in the house from me. But don't say that I'm not your wife. You can't snatch the right of being your wife. I still considered myself married to you. I applied for $1 million for you.
In that case, Niharika, wipe that vermilion. You don't need to do it. I've applied for a divorce.
What do I do now? Kush is firm on his decision. The matter is getting out of my hands. I need to do something.
Dad, Mom, Sister.
Tell me, Ajit. Why are you quiet? Tell me. Sir, this Bablu has created a problem. What happened? Did he try to escape? No, sir. Why would he try to escape in my presence? The thing is that he has fallen very sick. He has a fever and he can't stop thinking about his family. Did you call me for such a silly thing? Give him a tablet. Don't disturb me over such small things. Sir, please hear me out, sir. I know it's not a big problem, but it's not a petty matter either. You see, the thing is that he hasn't come around completely, sir. I think the matter has worsened. We should call a doctor now. Are you mad? We won't call a doctor. If a doctor comes there, we will go to jail. Any doctor will get suspicious if he sees a child in such a condition. So no doctor. Sir, if we don't call a doctor, the child will die. And I can't let that happen, sir. I'm not a murderer, sir. If you're so concerned about the child, adopt him later, okay? Now do as I say. Give him medicine. He will be fine by morning. Sir, please hear me out, sir, please. I know a doctor. We can blindfold him and get him over here. I guarantee you, sir, that he won't reveal anything to anyone. It's my guarantee. Keep your guarantee to yourself. I know what happened when you gave a guarantee last time. No doctor will be called. You will do as I say. Wait for my order.
What are you doing? Are you out of your mind?
Please leave me, Kush. Kush, let me go. You shouldn't have picked me up from the street, Kush. Please leave me. I'm such a fool. You spoke to me nicely for a bit and I got carried away. Leave me, Kush. I started getting thoughts. I can't live like this, Kush. You did the right thing by showing me my place. You did the right thing. I can't live like this, Kush. Leave me. Please leave me.
If she doesn't stop bleeding, the situation will get critical.
Leave me, Kush.
My love for you ended long back, Niharika. But after your behavior today, you have lost all the sympathy that was left. Doctor, hurry up. Doctor, we'll have to take her to the hospital, otherwise I don't know what
No,
else she'll
Kush.
do.
I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't want to go. Leave me, Kush. Please. Let me die. My dead body will go out of this place. From this house, Kush. Will you do me a favor? Since you brought me to this house, let me spend my last few moments here. Please leave me. Please.
Parvati!
Kush.
Parvati!
Yes. Oh
We
no.
have to take her
What
to the hospital.
happened?
Pick
No,
her up.
I won't
Come
go
on.
to the hospital.
Come on, Niharika.
I won't go to the hospital.
Get up.
Niharika.
Niharika,
Come
get
on,
up.
go to the hospital.
Get up, Niharika.
Come,
I won't go to the
Get up,
hospital.
get up.
Leave me.
Come on.
No.
Let's go. Come.
No, I won't
Get
go.
up.
Get
Get up.
I
Come.
won't go, please.
Karan, I overheard your conversation with him, and I think Ajit is right. If that child dies, we will get in deep trouble. And this time, even Uncle Khurana won't be able to help us. Because I know him. He won't put his political career on the line by getting involved in this. Karan, at this time, we have only two options. Either let Ajit call a doctor. Please let me take a doctor to him.
Kavita, try to understand. Sending a doctor there is very risky.
Don't worry, Karan. I won't take a random doctor there. I'll take a trustworthy doctor there. I promise you, he won't open his mouth. I'll buy his silence. Please, Karan. Please let me handle this.
No, Kavita. I don't want to involve you in this case. If both of us get in trouble, the whole plan... Kavita, please stay out of this.
But Karan, why?
Because even if I get exposed, you can get away by claiming ignorance.
Karan, I came here to help you out. And I can't leave you alone at this time.
Kavita, I understand your feelings. But no, I won't allow you to get involved. I'm thinking, I will surely find a way.
Karan,
I found a way. I'm calling someone who will ensure nothing happens to Bablu. Hello? Dia. Karan Mathur.
Unbelievable, Kush. How could you do this? I had told you to keep Niharika at home. But you didn't listen to me. You sent her to the hospital.
Deepika, it's not like that. I brought her home at your behest. But when she injured her hand, I understood it wasn't right to let her stay here. Deepika, she's a gone case. Stop thinking about her. Today she injured her hand. Who knows what else she'll do tomorrow? It'll be better for everyone if she stays in the hospital.
Kush, that's not true. Why don't you try to understand? She tried to kill herself in your presence. And a normal person doesn't do such a thing. Please understand her mental state. She deserves a second chance, Kush.
No, Deepika, I don't want to give any more chances to Niharika. We have given her enough chances. She won't mend her ways. Deepika, for me, her chapter is over.
Kush.
No, Deepika, please.
Kush. No, I can't leave Niharika alone. What if she takes the wrong step? In our absence then? No. I have to talk to Mom about it.
Boss, what if something happens to him? You're right. If something goes wrong, nothing will happen to him. And he doesn't need a doctor too. Because Mr. Karan has sent her for his treatment. Hey, remove the blindfold.
This? Bablu! Bablu! Where is my Bablu? Bablu! 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 Bablu, wake up!
Dia!
Bablu, wake up! Get up, Bablu!
I want to go home.
Yes, we will go home. We will return. Don't worry, don't be scared. I'm here to take you home. We will go
Dia,
together.
you know,
Okay?
these people are very bad. They aren't letting me go home. Dia.
We will go home together. First, you take the medicine, get well. Water? This, take it. Have water.
Dia, I'm scared of these people.
Bablu, don't be scared. You trust your sister, don't you? Yes? I'm here with you. I won't leave you and go anywhere. We will go home together, okay? Bablu, you are hungry, aren't you? You must be hungry. Look, see, I've got for you your favorite. Open your mouth. Ajit, his fever is going up. These medicines won't work. If his temperature increases, we'll have to call the doctor.
Hey, we won't call a doctor.
I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. By the way, you can't do anything on your own. You only follow the orders. Karan has bought you for peanuts. So please, convey this message to Karan. Ajit, please.
Really? You're still giving me attitude. You think I can't do anything about this, right? You want to see what I can do? I can twist your brother's neck. So keep your attitude just to yourself. Your brother took the medicine. Your work is done over here. Now make preparations to leave. Come on. And bear this in mind. If you try to act smart, your brother will be in a great danger. If I lose my mind, then I will lock him up along with you too.
Dia, I'm scared of these people. Dia, I'm scared of them. I'm scared of them.
Bablu, there is no need to be scared, okay? Don't be scared. I am here and nothing will happen to you, okay? We will go to mom. Both of us will go, okay? For now, finish this food. Look. If you eat well and take medicines, you will recover soon. Then we will go home, okay? Here.
Yes, sir. I did as you said. Dia has given Bablu medicine. She's feeding her.
Be alert. She's very clever. Don't be careless while taking her back. And yes, don't take the route that you took while bringing her.
Okay, sir.
Dia, aren't you scared of them at all?
Hey, little pipsqueak. Keep quiet and have food. No one can take you from here. Not even your sister. She has come here to give you medicine and food. And now it's time for your sister to leave. Come on. Say goodbye to your sister, huh?
Dia, you won't go anywhere. You'll be here with me. We will go together, okay? You won't go anywhere. No, you won't go anywhere.
Ajit, I did what Karan asked me to do. I'm not playing mixed doubles with Arjun. Arjun will play with some other partner. If you don't believe me, you can find out about it. Look, Ajit, Karan got what he wanted. Please let me take my brother along with me. Please.
Sorry. These are not in my hands. You just said that nothing is in my hands, right?
Ajit, no, please, Ajit, this is wrong. Ajit, please, don't do this.
Let go of my sister.
Ajit, please.
Leave my sister.
Ajit,
I want to
no.
go with my
Ajit.
sister. I want to go with my sister,
Bablu,
please.
Bablu,
Leave her.
Come on, that's enough.
Ajit, no.
Enough is enough.
Leave me.
On,
Ajit, no.
let's go.
She isn't even answering my calls. I don't know who called. She left without informing me.